Now we see how to add the content to our course. Go to site home and your course. You can find your course in site home directly here. So click on your course, group theory. Scroll down. Now we have this section, announcements, and the 5 topics which you have selected. So let us make changes to this. So here in the settings option, just beside group theory or course, if you select it, you will find many more options. The first one is edit section and the second one is turn editing on. When you click on this first option, edit settings, you make changes to the course, the name of the course or the number of sections, just like we have created our course. So in order to upload content to the course, make changes in this, we will click on turn editing on. So we have to upload content or give announcements in these sections. So to make changes to this, we click on the second option, which is turn on. So click on that. Now you will observe you can make changes to this. Edit options are available for all. Announcements, just in align to that we have edit option. Similarly for topic 1, edit option. And also you can find that you can add an activity or resource, plus option is there. Scroll down and see 5 topics are available. If you want to add one more topic, you can add topic here, just add topic. So scroll up and check. Let us add a general announcement. So let us make changes to these announcements. Before going to edit this, you see that there is a 4-sided arrow, move resource option here. If you click on that and drag, by clicking that, and you can drag that, you can move up and down. If you want announcements to be in the first topic, you can move that, or you can move up. I'll keep here only. If you want one more announcement, if you want to give another announcement, just go to this edit option, click on that, you will find some more options: edit settings, move right, hide, duplicate. So if you click on duplicate, one more announcement appears. So you can add any number of announcements. You can drag these announcements to topic 1, topic 2 if you want. So I'll make changes to the first announcements. If you click on this pencil icon, only you can change the name. If you click on this edit option and then edit settings, you can change name as well, give description to that. So I'm gonna change name as general announcement. What shall we give? General. Please, you can type here in the description, please check the announcements regularly. You can type whatever you want, whatever you have, what you want to give the general announcement, anything. Okay. If you want to display that in the course page itself, check this box. Scroll down and click on save and return to the course. See, it appears. Now I don't want this section now, announcements. I'll delete this. Click, edit, and then go to the last option, delete. Are you sure you want to delete the forum announcements? Yes. It has gone. So now let us add the syllabus. You can add a syllabus or a content, anything, by using this option, add an activity or resource. Just click on that once and you will find a list of activities displayed: assignment, chart, choice, database, and so on. Scrolling down, you will see a list of resources. So in this tutorial, we will be showing two types: how to upload a page and how to upload a URL resource. I will upload the syllabus using the page option. You can also upload using URL option. Let us check. First, let us upload using page option. Click on page, read these terms and conditions, and then click on add button. So now you can add a new page. So I already told you we are going to add a syllabus, so I'll keep detailed syllabus of this course of group theory. Description, if you want to give, you can give. This contains the detailed syllabus of group theory. Right. No need to mention here. Suppose if you want to have to write anything, you can write. Okay. Check the display description on course page there. You can see that one. Now the content. We'll write the content here. So you can type the content here, or you can upload the content using the last fourth one from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth option is insert or edit an audio or video file. You can upload the file here. But if you have the syllabus in Word document, this is not going to take. So you can only type the syllabus here. So I have the syllabus ready. I'll paste it. Done. The syllabus is pasted. So you can, if you want to make changes anything here, you can make changes. This is just like an editor. See, by clicking on this down arrow option, you will find edit options, everything, just like a text editor. Italic, bold, heading. You can make this heading. Let us make abstract algebra a little big, or heading large, like this. Okay, or if you want this in the center, I'll make it in the center. These are just editing options. Okay, scroll down and check everything. Everything is okay. Scroll down. Click on save and return to course. Fine. It is displayed as a page, detailed syllabus of the group theory. Click on it. Scroll down and see. The syllabus appears, complete syllabus appears. Now scroll up. Now you can see these options. You can go directly to dashboard, courses, mathematics, wherever you want. So we have to go to our course, group theory. Just click on this group theory. This takes directly to our course. We have uploaded a page now. Now we see how to upload a URL. We can upload the same syllabus file using the URL option. So we see where we can find the URL. Go to your Google Drive. So open the folder which contains your syllabus. Identify the file of syllabus. Now observe here, we have only two options, grid view and view details. If you click on this file, you will find some more options. The first one is get shareable link. Click on that. You will get a shareable link. This is your URL. click on the URL, it highlights, and copy that URL by pressing Ctrl C. Now the link is copied. Now come to your course. Now we shall upload the same syllabus using the URL option. Click on this, add an activity or resource. Scroll down and find URL. Check URL. Click on add option. So again, give the name as detailed syllabus of group theory. Now we have external URL option here. So paste the option, Ctrl V. We have copied the URL from the Google Drive by using Ctrl C option. Now we paste here using Ctrl V, paste. So if you have any description, you can give the description and then check the description box. Okay, scroll down, click on save and return to course. So again, now the URL is displayed. So what is the difference between these two? If you click this page, it opens in this site only. If you click this URL, this will take to your G drive from where you have uploaded this. So let us click this. So the syllabus is opened from your G drive. This is my G drive. So the students can download the file from here. Right? Let's go back. Now let us go to topic 1. So I want to give the objectives and outcomes for topic 1 as a general announcement. So I'll use this option. Go to edit, click on that, make it a duplicate. Yes. Drag this general announcement into topic 1 by clicking on 4-sided arrows. Yes. Now make changes by clicking on edit settings. So what is this? These are objectives and outcomes. Say, give that as a name and describe it. Give completely the objectives and details. These are the objectives. These are the outcomes. So check that box, display description on course page. Scroll down and click on save and return to course. Yes. The objectives and outcomes are displayed. Now we add a video. Now we add a video lecture to our topic 1. So first, say your video is in your laptop, in your machine. Then how to do that? Click on add an activity or resource. Scroll down and click on page and then click on add option. So give the name as whatever you want. I'll write as say first video on topic 1. So description, if anything is there. Otherwise, scroll down and in the content section, you will find the 4th option from the last. Manage files, record video, record audio, and then insert or edit an audio or video file. Click on that. Now it is asking to insert a media link. I'll click on browse repositories. A file picker opens. We'll pick using choose file option. Click on choose file option. Now it is asking to select your video file. Find out where it is in your machine. Okay, I'll select first video for topic 1. I have kept in a folder. So click open. First video for topic 1. You can rename it as save as, and then click on upload this file. Yes, source URL. It has generated the source URL. So let us insert this media. Insert media. The first video for topic 1 .mp4. It is inserted in MP4 format. Now scroll down. Click on save and return to the course. See, first video on topic 1 is uploaded. Click on that. It's opening. Scroll down. And it is playing in the site itself. It started playing. Let us pause it. Let us go to the course, group theory. Fine. We have uploaded a video from our machine using the page option. Okay. We can upload the video from YouTube also. You can select the YouTube link and you can upload here using a URL option. Okay. Let us do that. Before adding an activity, let us go to YouTube and find your video. How to find your video? So type your topic name. I will type group theory. So videos appear, but which video I have to select? Suppose you have to you like a video. You have to see if it is under Creative Commons section or not. How to see that? So select this filter option. Under this, find out a few in the future section. Find out Creative Commons. Click Creative Commons. So you will get the videos which you can use them as you like. That means we have no rights to use all the videos. Only under Creative Commons videos we can reuse them or make any kind of changes we want. Right. Then let us open the first video. Yes, video is running. Pause it. I want to add this video into the topic. Okay. Then click on this URL and copy that by using Ctrl+C option. Then go to your course, and then now you can add an activity. You add an activity. Select URL option. Then click on add. So new page appears. Let us add here. Let us write additional video in the name for topic 1. Paste the URL here. Scroll down and click on appearance tab. If you keep this automatic, the video will play in the YouTube. The YouTube page appears and the video will play. If you select embed option, the video will play in this site only. So I will select embed option. I'll scroll down and select save and return to course. Right. See, the first video we have selected using page option. The video was located in our machine or laptop. The second video we have selected using URL option, and the video was taken from YouTube. Click on this additional video for topic 1. So the video plays inside the topic. Now let us see what happens if we select automatic. Click on this settings option here itself. Click on edit settings. Scroll down and in the appearance section select automatic. Let us make this changes. Let us save the changes and see what happens. Now click on additional video for topic 1. So it has taken to YouTube. So the video will play from YouTube. So let us go back. You need to check if your video is playing or not. When you check embed option from appearance section, the video may not play if you select URL from Google Drive. So you need to check if it is playing or not.